Hi everyone, Greg Nealon from TaxMax here. There are many ways our dealers utilize the TaxMax program. Besides helping your customers get approved for large down payments, TaxMax can also help collect on deferred payments, past due accounts, side notes, and even repair notes. With our new File and Keep Driving program, we can now help any customer who may owe you a payment during tax time. With the simple addition of the TaxMax File and Keep Driving landing page, your collectors will now have another tool to help get the customer current. When your customer is directed to the TaxMax File and Keep Driving landing page, whether by text, email, by a payment tab on your website, or even by QR code, they will be informed on how easily it is to file their tax return while working directly with a TaxMax tax professional and get their account current and get the maximum tax refund as quickly as possible. Once completed, the tax refund is sent to the dealership, in some cases in as little as an hour. The customer can then easily apply a portion of their tax refund towards the balance that is owed to you and keep driving. The best part? There is no risk and no additional work, since the customer can file their tax return directly from your File and Keep Driving landing page. So don't let another tax season pass you by. Contact TaxMax today and ask about our File and Keep Driving program, and let us help your customers get current and keep driving this tax season.